Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Aptoide on your iOS device. It does not matter if it's an iPhone or iPad, this works on all devices and it's pretty simple. You do not need to jailbreak your phone to get it. So let's start. Open up your browser and type in appinject.cc. So appinject.cc. And now scroll down and find Aptoide, and it will say app injection required. Press the inject button and it will start injecting this Aptoide app straight away. It takes like a few seconds. Let's just wait for this blue bar to finish loading. Okay guys, and sometimes it will redirect us to this page, not all the time, but in this case it did. And it says download and open two apps for at least 30 seconds to start the injection process. Aptoide will instantly download. From what I've gathered, this is required to prevent any bots from abusing the site. So let's follow the instructions for two of the apps below. You can choose any apps from the list. They are also from the App Store. Let's check. And after we complete this process, which takes like 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes, by the end we should have Aptoide installed on our device. Okay, but first let's complete the process. Now all we have to do is just keep this app open for a short amount of time, usually at least 30 seconds, but do make sure what it says in the instructions. There you will see the minimum time that you have to keep these apps opened. And now let's go ahead and open the second app. Okay, let's open it, and now all we have to do is the same instructions. Keep it open for at least 30 seconds and interact with the app like I'm doing right here. You do not need to sign up for any subscription or anything like that. You can also delete these apps if you no longer need them. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I was able to get the Aptoide. If in any case, also restart your phone and you should see it straight away. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Smash the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. Peace out.